Hi everyone, this is Aruna, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In my lecture series today, we're going to see about the ER diagram. In that, I have previous video itself, I explained about entity and their attributes clearly. In this video, I'm going to explain about a relationship type, sets, and their cardinality. So before entering into the thing, first we're going to see about the relationship. So how we can establish a relationship between the entities, it can be have an association. So how we make an association means by using a primary key and a foreign key, we make it as an association between the each entity type. Here this association can be in a ER diagram. How we can represent means can be represented in a diamond shape. For example, student and I'm having a course. These both are the entity for student database. This both that can have some relationship. Each students can enroll a course. So enrolled in is the relationship established between the student and a course. This is the how a relationship type can be mentioned in our ER diagram. And also, if I want to connect the entity sets to a relationship sets means that we know that this particular symbol can represent the entity sets. So if I have to connect with this thing, I can, because a student 1 can enroll a course 1 as well as the course 2. Need not to take a course 1. It will have a many courses also can take. So any courses can be taken. A course set can have so many courses. So this can be mentioned in a relationship sets. So the next thing is a degree. Degree is nothing but the number of different entity sets participating in a relationship. Only we can call it as a relationship. Here we are having a three types of a thing. One is a unary, binary, and n-array. Unary is only one entity set is participating in the relation. A person is married to only one person. So this is a unary relationship established between the thing. Two entity sets. The previous example, student can enroll any courses. Here, two entities participating the thing. N is more than two entities is participated in the relationship. That can be called it as a n-array relationship. So in a ER diagram, our relationship may be a N or binary or unary relationship can be established. So we can able to connect four relationships. So by using enrolled itself, we have to map the four relationships. The next one is a cardinality. Cardinality is nothing but the number of time an entity can participated in an entity set or in a relationship set is called as a cardinality. A cardinality can be classified into different types: many to many, many to one, one to many, and one to one. So it can be represented, the number is m is to n, m is to 1 is to n, and 1 is to 1. These are the cardinality ratios. So first we're going to see about a one-to-one relationship. For example, when only one incident of an entity is associated with the relationship, that can be called as a one-to-one relationship. This is a normal thing. If it is an entity set, we're going to represent like this. Female married to male. Female is not married to female. Female is only married to male. This is a one-to-one relationship established. A surgeon headed by the HOD. All the surgeon is headed by the HOD. A particular surgeon can be headed by only one HOD. It doesn't have a more than one HOD. So this is the one-to-one relationship. The next thing is one-to-many. So for example, when only one instance of an entity on the left side, more number of instances can be present in the right-hand side. So this particular relationship, we can call it as a one-to-many. A scientist can invent many inventions. No need to can invent only one invention. A scientist can invent many things. A surgeon department can has more number of doctors. So these are the one-to-one, one-to-many relationship. The next thing is many-to-one relationship. The student, many student can enroll one courses. In here, left-hand side, we are having a many instance, and right-hand side, we are having a only one relationship. That is a M is to 1. A student can enroll many courses. So many students can enroll a single courses. And many surgeries done by a single surgeon. These are the best example for many to one relationship. The next thing is a many-to-many relationship. A person, that is a both the side we are having a more number of instance, that can be called it as a many-to-many relationship. Employee is assigned with many projects. Many employees assigned with many projects. So this particular relationship we can be call it as a many-to-many. The next thing is a participation constraint. So here in a participation constraint, either total participation can be taken place or partial participation can taken place. That is, student can enroll a single course or a many courses. Many students can enroll a single courses or a many courses. Here, all the students can participate, or sometimes there is a partial can be taken place. So this is the thing between the participation constraint. The next thing is how we can draw, and based on this thing only, these are the basic requirement needed to draw a ER diagram. So how we can draw that ER diagram means, first thing is we have to identify the entities. After identifying the entities, we're going to place it in the rectangle with a label. After that, we have to identify the relationship between each entities. Then third thing is we're going to derive the attributes for that particular entity. And also if the entity relationship is a redundant, that we have to remove. And also we have to use different colors to highlight the entity relationship diagram. So this is a five steps to draw an ER diagram. So, and also while representing the ER diagram, definitely we are having a notations, because the cardinality and all we can able to represent in a notation. If it is a single line, that is 1 to 1. If it is like 1 to many means, I have to mention the many side. Here it is a 1. 1 represent the 1. This is a thing. Many is this one. Here 1 to many is 1 to more. Abdina 1 and more. And also only one and only one abdina we have to put that double parallel line. This is for 0 to 1 representation. This is 0 to many represent. These are the notations of a ER diagram. In my next video, I am going to detailedly explain about, along with this case study, how we can draw an ER diagram. Thank you for watching my video.